This is very dangerous. See those clouds? Those are balloon clouds. They gonna pop and scatter and they gonna strike you with lightning. Oh Lord.
Where's that? It's a wild mojo. Let's get it. Oh, you want to be?
Oh shit.
Gorilla natural habitat.
Oh my god. It's a nader.
Beat it, beat it, beat it. Don't you gonna feel it, beat it.
I'm scared.
Beat it. Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Don't you gonna feel it.
Lightning! Oh shit. I didn't make cheerleading. I did this in front of the judges. Lag row kid. Lag row. Man, she's pretty damn good at this. I stand corrected. You see, gorillas always do this in their natural habitat. Look at this one out in the wild. They hug trees all the time. I'm so wavy. But you're doing nature walks, you gotta. No, wait, that's disgusting. And him? Hi! Hey! Oh shit, this is creepy.
Yes, this is nature walk. Oh, I don't like ants.
No, don't hug the ants. No. Oh, there's a bug.